Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to convert crypto using the CoinmarketCap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, you open up the CoinmarketCap application, then you will have to go at the top of the screen, you will see the convert icon. And if you tap on it, it will open up the currency converter, and here you can choose any kind of cryptocurrency to convert to any other fiat currencies and to see the price of it. So as you can see right now, it's set to 1 Bitcoin, and it shows that it would be on the today's price 52,000 US dollars. You can type in 10 Bitcoins, 100, or any amount that you have. For example, I have 0.56 Bitcoin, which is 30,000 US dollars. So this is how you can choose any kind of crypto conversion. For example, here you can set it to the conversion between cryptos, just like now. Let's see, if I want to convert 1 Bitcoin to Ethereum, I would receive 15 Ethereum. And then that's pretty much it. That's how you can convert any kind of crypto and see what is the price of the cryptos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.